the last 3 months, because of COVID-19, schools have been shut. I hope that these materials that we present today will be beneficial to students in their final year of secondary or high school.
Hello and welcome to this class on sentence type. This is a continuation of what we started doing in our last class. We looked at phrases and clauses and also saw the differences between phrases and clauses. We've gone further to see the types of phrases and clauses and also how you identify them in sentences. So today we're going to look at a bigger structure, which is the sentence. You know, we move from the phrase to the clause, and from the clause you move to the sentence. So today we are going to look at the sentence and how sentences are qualified. So in general, sentences are classified according to their function and structure. So if you want to classify a sentence, you have to clarify whether you're classifying it according to its function or according to the structure. So these are the two categories of sentences. According to function, we have interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, declarative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. These are the 4 types of sentences according to functions. Then according to structure, we have the simple sentence, the compound sentence, the complex sentence, and the compound complex sentence. So we have 4 on the sentence structure according to the function and 4 according to the structure. So you classify sentences according to these 2 categories. Now we are going to look at sentences according to structure today. We're going to start with the simple sentence. By definition, a simple sentence is a sentence that has only one idea or action. This means that in a simple sentence, you talk about only one thing. You say only one thing. So you have one verb. That is an action word. That's why we talk about an idea or an action. So in a simple sentence, you have only one action. That is only one verb. This gives you a simple sentence. Let's look at these examples. I came late. We are reading. In the first sentence, you have one action verb, which is came, and that's the only action which took place there. This makes it a simple sentence. In the second example, we have we are reading. Only one thing is taking place there, which is reading. So these are typical simple sentences because they have only one action. Now, a simple sentence can have only one subject, as we have seen in the examples, or they can have 2. Let's first look at the first 2 examples we've seen. I came late. Here you have only one subject, and the subject is I. In the second example, we are reading. The subject is we. You have only one subject. But we are now saying that simple sentences can also have 2 subjects. Look at these examples you have there. Aliyu and Aisha are reading. There you have 2 people. These are the subjects. Aliyu and Aisha. You have 2 people involved, giving us 2 subjects and involving only one action. Aliyu and Aisha are reading. In the second example, you also have 2 subjects. Peter and Jane. Peter and Jane came late. So this is also a simple sentence. So simple sentences can contain conjunction as long as the conjunctions are not combining 2 clauses but combining 2 subjects to give us a compound subject. So this type of subject is called a compound subject. So you can have a simple sentence with just one subject or a simple sentence with a compound subject. Thanks for listening. This brings us to the end.